Welcome, I'm Steve from IFusionTechnology.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and install these irrigation units using the IFusion Watering Spike to minimize water usage and keep your plants happy. The IFusion Watering Spike is made from a porous PVC that will allow water to be constantly delivered to the soil at a very slow rate. To assemble your irrigation unit, all you need is a small number of half-inch PVC pieces you can obtain from your local hardware store. You'll start with a threaded slip 90-degree elbow, which will be run into an 1 3/4 pipe, which then gets glued into a threaded outlet T. It's at this point in the T which your emitter will be placed. From this T to this T, you need a run of 23 1/4 inch pipe so that you can obtain a 24-inch spacing between emitters. Additional emitters can be incorporated using an additional pipe and outlet T. At the end of your unit, repeat the 1 3/4 pipe to the 90-degree adapter, and you've just completed your irrigation unit. The completed irrigation unit has the IFusion Watering Spike and a hose barb for a 3/16 ID tubing screwed in. I've also attached the tubing to connect these two units, as well as the water reservoir and a water return line from the final irrigation unit. These units have spikes that are 24 inches apart, and this bed is 4 foot square. So I want to place these about 12 inches in from the side so that water wicks evenly across the whole bed. These units can be then rested on the top, or they can be buried if you so desire. This potting soil is really loose, so it's very easy to push the spikes in. If your soil is firmer or has buried roots and rocks in it, you might want to consider getting a pipe or a stick to pre-make a hole before trying to push in your irrigation spike. The IFusion Watering Spike is gravity powered with very minimal operating pressure. For the reservoir, I'm using this 2-liter PET bottle with a hole drilled in the bottom so that I can easily add water. And the cap is this screw-on 3/16 inch hose barb connector that will deliver water into the system. And this whole unit will just sit right up here on this holder, much like so. If needed, this holder can be raised up about 3 feet just in case the edges or corners of this bed are a little bit dry. The water return line is simply affixed to, secured to the holder, and the end will be kept above the water level of the reservoir. And now is the time we can add water to this system.